Today is an official no scroll day. I have been spending way too much time just scrolling through content, and I absolutely hate the way it makes me feel so unproductive and weird all day. So, we're going to be staying away from our phones unless it's for, just filming content. It's anyway going to be a super long day today because I do have to film like four branded content pieces and I need to submit them tomorrow. So, I also do have to edit all of these pieces of content tomorrow. So, I need to finish filming everything today. So, yeah, let's get started. Face wash. I'm so excited to use this, and I have tried their moisturizer before, so I'm super excited to use this. I do feel like this is going to be a bit oily for summers, but it's going to be a dream to use during the colder months. Got done with a few shots. There are still a few more remaining, but I am basically going to take a short little break and just clean up my dressing table. This is how messy my dressing table gets. I don't know why I'm showing it to you. It's embarrassing. Anyway, we need to fix it, so let's do that.
Everything around me is space. Incredible view. From here, my whole life seems like just a strange dream. I thought I was in control.
It's time for a short little break, so I'm just going to enjoy my cup of coffee. And I did get a few things, so in the meanwhile, I'm just going to give you a quick little haul. I did pick up their hair and body mist in Chandra Moon version. I did have the yellow version, which was the sun version basically. This smells so nice. I think I like this more than the sun version. Definitely a 10 on 10. I kind of stopped using the sun version for some weird reason. I don't know. I stopped liking it altogether. So this one is definitely more fruitier, which you guys know I love fruity scents compared to floral scents. So maybe that's one of the reasons I kind of stopped liking the sun version. But yeah, in the start I really did like it. But eventually I stopped using it. So I do not know what to do with that anymore. But I'll see if my sister or someone wants it. Also did get this holder for this hair and body mist. So let's put this in. Quite sure how it's supposed to go in, but let's try. It looks pretty fancy. I love the keychain, so I can just hang it on my bag, or yeah, I think you can only hang it on your bag. So super excited to be carrying this around. I think it's such a fun way to keep this always with you when you go outside. Mist is a 10 on 10. This holder is a complete 11 on 10. At this point, I'm obsessed with freckles, and the freckle pen from Rucha Beauty was amazing. So I got another shade. This is in the shade Dotty. I'm really excited to try this out. Let's try it.
Image I know of my face is clearer now. Can it really all be a crazy dream? Go further, go.
Okay, I love it. It's amazing. I did pick up this off-shoulder t-shirt from Amazon. I love the print on this and cannot wait to wear this. Pick up these two lippies from Elf. Really wanted to try these out because people have been talking like so much about these. It's very similar to Benetint lip gloss in the shade Rose Envy. Very soft light pink tint to it. I think I'm gonna love it. Also picked up this tablecloth in light yellow. It's literally looking white here, but it is light yellow because I have been loving the shade yellow. So super excited to put this on. I'm going to do this right after I'm done talking here. It's a very cute little lamp. Oops, I have to on it from here. Let me show you the shades. I don't specifically like the white shades in here, but this one is just too pretty. I needed a new book to read, so I picked up The Love Hypothesis. This is basically about two scientists falling in love, which I feel like I haven't seen any story on scientists except the Big Bang theory. So I was super fascinated when I heard about the backstory of this book. So yeah, I'm super excited to read this. For now, I'm just going to go and decorate my table with this tablecloth because I'm super excited to see how it looks like. So let's do that. My table looks absolutely amazing. I love this yellow lighting situation. It just feels so cozy and so like calming. Anyway, I'm super tired for now, and I do have one last branded content to shoot. So I'm gonna do that before I sleep. So we are planning to have an early dinner so that I have time to film and sleep on time. So that's the plan for now. I am so tired at this point, but we need to get the shot done. It's basically just the last shot that's remaining. I got done with the starting, like where I apply my face mask and all of that, like sheet mask basically. It's actually a self care Sunday kind of vlog, like a short video for this brand for Premiere Pro, and I'm so excited for you guys to see it. I absolutely love filming self-care content, and I do not know why I actually stopped creating shots on that, but I will be back after this video. But yeah, I'm shooting on my phone because it's for the Premiere mobile app. And just because everyone uses their phone to film, and then it's very easy to actually import on the app and use the app to edit. For some reason my sheet mask is just slipping, but anyway, we have the setup done right there. So the first shot is just to pour the tea, so I'm just going to do that. That's my teapot. I did set everything up so it becomes easier. That took me some time to actually figure out what setup I wanted and what would go well for the video. So all these shots are like fairly very simple, but they take like so much of my time and energy. That's why I never really show behind the scenes, but I just felt like showing in this vlog, since this is all that I'm doing in this vlog. Like, I'm just shooting, and I think I'll only be editing like tomorrow because the deadlines are tight. So let's pour now. Just the last shot remaining where we sip on tea and journal. I literally feel so sleepy with this mask on, but yeah, let's just wrap everything up. And that's a wrap, you guys. I need to sleep right now. I am going crazy. I wanted to read so badly, but I think it's quite late and I need to sleep on time, wake up on time, because tomorrow is going to be another hectic day. So, yeah, good night. I forgot to mention, but I am in love with this polka dot PJ set from H&M. It's from H&M basically, and I think this is by far one of my favorite sets from the brand. I do have like a lot of H&M PJ sets, but this one just nailed it. Like, I'm obsessed with polka dots at the moment. Like, you guys know, it's like everything is polka. Anyway, I need to stop yapping. I'll see you tomorrow. I just got done with my journaling and having my Jira water. It feels so refreshing. Absolutely love it. The plan for now is to actually start Zumba class. It's going to be my first class, so I'm not very sure if I would be able to film it. But yeah, I'm going to go for that session now because cardio actually like bores me to death. Like I cannot do cardio for more than 20 minutes or max 15, but not more. So yeah, I used to go for Zumba classes back when I was in Mumbai, but ever since I've come back, I did not, like, I haven't been active for some reason. I don't know. But yeah, I'm super excited for today's session because I need to, get healthy again. I'm going to change and probably oil my hair because after an intense workout, I am sweating like crazy. So I definitely need a hair wash day. And yeah, I'm super excited. Let's get going. That's my brunch. I absolutely love everything in here. Like, it just makes me feel so full and satisfied. I'm going to eat and watch my favorite show at the moment, which is Big Bang Theory. I feel like it's such a comfort show. I'm actually rewatching it for the second time, and I think, like, I feel like I've forgotten so many bits and pieces of the entire story. So, really glad I'm rewatching it.
If that's your idea of what's cool, you should get mine. What do you think, Shraddha? Would an action figure that looks just
Plan for the rest of the day is just to sit back and edit all of my videos because I need to edit these completely, like all of the videos that I've been filming since yesterday and even day before, and submit these today for approval. One is the lockdown video, and the other three are for Premiere Mobile, which I'm so grateful about. Like this entire month, the collaboration has been amazing. I'm so grateful. But yeah, I shall end this vlog right here because I'm just going to be editing for the rest of the day. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you soon.